Hello, welcome. We are going to discuss about since and for. For is used for period of time. For example, I have been student of this college for 3 years. I have been doing research for 2 months. I have been waiting for 3 hours. For is basically used when you know about the exact period of time, the exact duration in which the action is done or in which the action is happening. Since is used for point of time. Basically, it is used to mention the start of period. For example, I have been writing since 8 o'clock. I have not met John since Friday. I have been doing research for 2 months. So there's a difference between since and for. For is used for exact period of time. Since is used for point of time, or you know when the period of time started, or you know when the period of time started, or you don't know when the action is going to be finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other similar videos. I am from Shirazi.